One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Beautiful day, star coin to the moon, and we got snow. We got snow everywhere. Got the old rotten wood off there. This here video is about new inventory, and I just got some new inventory in that I think might be kind of a hit on my channel. Somebody's interested in this car. Somebody needs this car, and I'm here to make you a deal on it. All kinds of sweet old rigs. The 70 GMC 396, 65 Buick wagon, 91 560 SEL. Got flare size Chevys. Got a Jimmy over there. Got Dodge pick-em-up trucks. A Cuck V over there. Got all these Trans Ams everywhere. Got a 64 Chevy Sport Van Centurion. Got all kinds of stuff over here. I did a walk around. The best way to find the stuff that I've put up on the cars is to check out that light walk around on my channel. But I'm going to show you this. I know somebody's interested. This is a 1965 Impala. And Chevy Impala. It's 4-door. That's in good shape. It runs great. Kind of pulls one way. Really good and proper. Needs an alignment or something. But this is it. I'm going to show you the motor first, and then I'm going to show you the car. I don't usually do that, but I got the hood open to where I can do that. So, hang on. Ba-bam! Nice car, 350. Double camel hump heads. I think they're 202s. 202 double camel humps. That used to be the thing to have in the day, man. Now it's all aluminum and stuff, but it's a nice car. I think they put a bigger radiator in it, looks like, maybe. I don't know. This will clean up nice, I'll tell you that. But, check out the car. Take a couple pictures here to where I can make my thumbnail. It's got a nice stock beefy look. Guy put new Cooper Cobras on it. There is a rustle on that fender. Pretty clean car. It's been painted. It buff out nice. All the trim is there. All the trim's in good condition. There's one smash on the other side of the trim. But the wheel trim, there's a couple dings in that trim. And looks to be a little filler here in this panel. Back, nice condition. Nice condition. That might should be the thumbnail right there. There we go. We'll take a couple pictures of that. Hang on a sec. I'm sorry. So all that looks good. I do dig these old taillights. Bumpers are in good shape. It's, you know, there's some steel wool and stuff. It's a good driver. It runs really good. I've got the original hubcaps. That's kind of dinged up on that one. I ain't showing you a perfect car. I'm showing you a car that's in good shape. Look at this. They're tight too. Guy was driving it and stuff, and then the tags went bad, and he had left it sit. So let me see here. Runs good. Wow, not even. Oh, it's a metal dash. No wonder there's no cracks in the dash. Pretty sure they added that. Did they add that over there? Was that factory? Wow. I don't know. That probably. I don't know. They got this in it, and they got that in it. So it's up to you. I don't know if it's factory or not. And I'm not going to go make a claim when I don't know. This is the worst dinged up area there is. I'd have to ask if it's a 283 or a 350. I thought it was a 350, but we're going to have to ask the guy for sure. So that's that. That's the car. Just a quick up view for if you're interested. I can maybe take some more pictures. We'll get it cleaned up when it's not snowing. However, I just wanted to show this car and get it out there to where maybe somebody's interested. They could buy it. Now you got your winter project. This is a cool car just to drive around town and use. Use as a daily driver. That's that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Check out my channel. I've been putting out lots of videos both on mining and on cars. I just put one up on this. It's for sale. And there's all kinds of other stuff on there. Thanks for watching. Call me up if you're interested. Nathan, 406-546-8748. That's that. We'll talk to you.